Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, in today's episode is more of a vlog for myself to just see what came from AliExpress. Came metal rod type of analogs. Okay, that's the kind which I didn't have. I've got the regular one. So these are more of a PDP and PowerA game controllers, gamepads, and not for the original Xbox controllers, for instance. Came two chipsets for the HDMI, that's HDMI encoder for PS5. I don't know if that's the issue with that PS5 from the customer, but you know, it's no display, but seems to be okay going into the blue and going into the white diode, so looks okay. So that would be the next culprit, suspect, yes. Then came for 7 Plus home button. I need to plug it in and check if it will work. Then I've got a part solution to the problem of the iPhone I was doing. Cassettes came in the poor shape. I thought I'm recording and I didn't, and I pulled out those. I'll try to glue them, but those have been broken. Yes, plastic components from these, because I've ordered some cassettes, yes, and I've ordered them just, you know, just so that when I'm testing some cassette decks, yes, I see it's totally rubbish now. So the person who packed it up, you know, they've made the back packaging, yes, they don't deserve a positive feedback for the packaging, okay, they don't, because that's completely knackered. I can't put it together properly. It's just missing part, you can see. It's, you know, even if you sell for a penny, it doesn't matter. That survived. That was in between, in the middle. Winston Churchill wartime speech, Black Beauty, yes. These which were outside, they suffered the most. Second World War. Sense and Sensibility, and Canterbury Tales, okay, by Modern English. So these came. I'm not happy that person who sent them in such way. I know I've paid only over £6, but if the job is worth doing, do it right, or you'll get a negative feedback. Okay, so I wouldn't you know, like, do what this person done, and you could package it better. Come on, it came only in such foil, and in the second foil, you know, even I understand that the person don't make a lot of money out of it or something, yes, because it will take out the packaging, and if it will take out the shipping, yes, they just pretty much gave it for free. But the point is that for them these might not have any more values, yes, whereas for somebody who's buying them, that can have a lot of value, okay. And if they are coming and they are damaged, this value automatically drops down, especially if you're buying it for some customer or someone, yes, or as a gift, yes, you know, it will just look really badly if it is what it is, because it's bad at the moment. So I wouldn't say, you know, do it again. I would say just get the proper packaging, do some spacing in between this and a box, you know, like an inch even, and then that will survive, yes. But you see, it came as it came, and that's it. Okay, so what else will be before, because it's not even 5 minutes recording, I'll get a minute or two, so I'll explain you what will be next. I've got still Pixel 3a to repair. I've got still like from the more urgent ones, yes. I've got iPhone 7 Plus. I've got iPhone 7 Plus for the home button. I've got iPhone 6 for the to unlock it, pretty much. from Urgent is that TV, big TV here, and this TV as well. That TV is working, it's only HDMI ports, faulty, they are knackered completely. You look inside and you don't see these ports. So that's to be done as well, and those are the most jobs which I need to do as well. I'm waiting on customer tomorrow. It will come, 3 hard drives will be over there, so one at least I will do for him. There is an old radio from 70s for this customer, it's faulty. Customer wanted to do buttons, but you know, even though I started to do buttons and Andrew have started to do buttons, we couldn't finish it off because it started to, you know, work back again. But then again, this radio is not working, yes? So we need to first decide if customer wants to fix it. If not, I won't be spending more time on it. High five from Sony. Andrew have gluing with super glue. It didn't hold, so we need to use epoxy glue, yes, and epoxy glue in theory should hold it. If won't hold it, we will have to give up on it. So those are the most jobs, yes, most jobs which need to be done right now in the next episodes. Some you might see before this video, some you will see after this video. That's why it's good to be subscribed, because you will know those few minutes and you get an update what's going on, like an index. For me, it's a, you know, a recording of what I'm doing, yes. So that's the whole point. But that's it in this episode. I even won't ask this time about liking this video. That's okay. If no likes will be, that's okay. That's my vlog, so I need to do it once in a while anyway. I'm waiting on a parcel, well, number of parcels from AliExpress, which I've ordered, but there is a strike tomorrow on the 29th, so on the 30th and on the 1st is a strike at post office, so they won't be delivering anything. So in that case, next week will be more packages received. But that's it in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If possible, please go to the description and read what the Intecracy means. I wrote it on the Google Docs, yes, and you can read it for free. It's in the description below. It's about us. So it's worth to know if you haven't done it already, yes? So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.